Good morning, Kasturians. So today let us start with some numericals from chapter number 12, which is thermodynamics. Okay, so let us start with the first numerical that says what we have to do. The question says calculate the fall in temperature of helium initially at 15 degrees Celsius when it is suddenly expanded to 8 times of its original volume. Okay, and the value of gamma is given to us, that is 5 by 3. So what is given to us? First thing that is given to us, the initial temperature, that is 15 degrees Celsius. Okay, first thing we have to convert the temperature in degrees Celsius to Kelvin. Okay, so how we can convert that you already know. Celsius, temperature in Celsius plus 273. Okay, so in this way we will be able to convert the temperature from Celsius to Kelvin. So what the value will become, the initial temperature comes out to be 288 Kelvin. What else is given? That the volume it suddenly expands to 8 times of its initial volume or its original volume. So that means the final volume, that is it is here used as V2. V2 is considered as final volume, that is given to us as 8 times of its initial volume, and the initial volume is considered as V1. Okay, so देखो यहाँ पे we can see there is change in temperature. What we have to find out? Calculate fall in temperature, that means T2 we have to find out. So can we easily see that there is change in temperature, change in volume also there. Okay, so isothermal expansion is not there. This is not isothermal expansion. Why? Because temperature is not constant. So what case is this? This is the case of adiabatic expansion, and we already know the formula for adiabatic expansion, that is PV to the power gamma is constant, or T V to the power gamma minus 1 is constant. So here, as we are given the values for temperature and volume, okay, so we will be taking the second formula, that is T V to the power gamma constant. So what we will be doing? T1 V1 to the power gamma minus 1, it will be equals to T2 V2 gamma minus 1. Okay, and let us see what will be the value of gamma minus 1. See, what is the value of gamma given to us is 5 by 3. Okay, so it will be 5 by 3 minus 1. Okay, so we will be easily able to calculate this, and what will the value coming out? 2 upon 3. Okay, so the gamma here is 2 upon gamma minus 1 is 2 upon 3. Okay, so we can write here also gamma minus 1 is equals to 2 upon 3. Now let us take whatever the value. देखो यहाँ पे क्या, we have rearranged this equation, and as we want to find out T2, so T2 is on the left side and other all the things are on the right side. So let us take now log to this equation. Let us consider this as equation 1 and taking log of equation 1, ठीक है, on both the sides. So it is log T2 and it is, देखो अब दो चीज़ जब मल्टीप्लीकेशन में होती है, that is a b. So whenever we do take log, so how we write it as? We write it as log a plus log b. Log of a plus b is log a plus log b. Okay, this is the case. Now same way it is done here. T1 or V1 upon V2, and this is in multiplication. So T1 log T1 plus the gamma minus 1 is 2 upon 3. So whatever is in the power comes at the front. So 2 upon 3 log V1 upon V2. ओके ठीक है. अब देखो T1 की वैल्यू वी आर ऑलरेडी गिवन, क्या? 288 केल्विन. सो इट कम्स आउट टू बी log 288, एंड log 288 की वैल्यू देखो, log की वैल्यूज एंड ऑल द एंटी लॉग्स विल बी गिवन टू यू. ठीक है, सो log 288 is 2.4594. Okay, so the value of this is directly substituted, plus 2 by 3, and here is volume V1 minus V2, log V2 minus V1. So how we will be writing this equation? We will be writing this as log V1 minus log V2. ठीक है, अब देखो क्या we have written, या we can write it as, देखो V1 upon V2 की जगह पे what we can write, log, here it is log, and V1 is V1 only, and V2 की वैल्यू क्या गिवन है? 8 times V1. So V1 got cancelled, so it is 1 upon 8. So it will be now log 1 minus log 8. Log 1 is 0, so it is minus log 8. Log 8 की वैल्यू is 0.9031. So with a negative sign. Okay, so we will be simplifying this. After simplifying this, what we will be getting? 1.8573. ठीक है. अब we want to find out the value of T2, and here it is log. So log when goes on the other side, it becomes anti-log. So we are having the value of anti-log 1.8573, and after solving this, anti-log of this value is this much. So the temperature T2 is this, and we had to find out the fall in temperature. Fall in temperature means the initial temperature, that is T1 minus T2. So the initial temperature, what is given to us? 288 Kelvin. So 288 Kelvin minus this temperature that we have got comes out to be 216.01 degree Celsius. Okay, so this is the we can say this is the final thing that we had to find out.
Okay, so now let us go for the second numerical. The second numerical says 1 gram molecules of a gas at temperature 127 degrees Celsius, they expands isothermally, and they expands in such a way such that volume, or we can say the volume, final volume is equals to twice of its initial volume. And what we have to do, we have to find out what will be work done during this isothermal expansion. So we already know the formula for the work done during isothermal expansion. What is that? That is 2.303 RT log of final volume, that is V2 upon V1. So what we are given, देखो R, value of R is a constant, so it is already known to us, and the temperature, that is constant as it is isothermal expansion, so the temperature is also known to us. The value of temperature in Kelvin, that is 400 degree Kelvin. So what do we also know? V2 upon V1. See, log V2 is 2 times V1 upon V1. So VV got cancelled, so the value of log 2 will be used here. So it will be 2.303 RT and log 2. See, it is 2.303, value of R is 8.3, and into temperature is 400 here, and log base 10 2 and 2V upon V, so VV, it will be log 2. So the value of log 2 is 0.3010, and if we simplify all these terms after multiplication, what we will be getting? We will be getting the final work done, and the value of work done is 2.3 into 10 to the power 3 joules. Okay, so that is the answer. That is what we had to find out, the work done during the isothermal expansion. Okay, so that's all for today. We will be discussing the other numericals in the next class. So thank you for watching this.